The Cessna brand remains one of the most known private aircraft brands in the world and is responsible for creating more than half the world's general aviation aircraft. The company has its roots in the pioneers of aviation and is headquartered in the aviation hub of Wichita, with maintenance and support locations worldwide. Cessna has a rich history as one of the most popular small aircraft manufacturers of all time, and the company has been integral to the development of general aviation for nearly a century.